Ever wonder why your food spoils twice as fast when it's warm, or why chemical reactions speed up so dramatically with heat? That's the Arrhenius equation at work, and mastering it is essential for chemists, engineers, and food scientists everywhere. Our free Arrhenius equation calculator takes the heavy lifting out of these calculations. Just plug in your activation energy, the pre-exponential factor, and your temperature, and it instantly gives you the reaction rate constant. Let's say you're working with a reaction where the activation energy is 50 kilojoules per mole at 298 Kelvin. Type those values in, hit calculate, and you've got your answer in seconds. No formula memorization required. Whether you're studying for an exam, running lab experiments, or modeling industrial processes, this tool saves you time and eliminates errors. Try the Arrhenius equation calculator for free right now. The link is in the description.